Hi everybody, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really unique leaf blower system. This actually came with two 21-volt batteries. I put one of them on here, and each one of them have this indicator light that you can see how much battery you have left in them. It also comes with a charger, which is really nice. But simply locking one of those into place, it becomes a handheld portion for your blower that can simply plug in and become a blower. So you can turn it on, blow some leaves. But what makes it interesting is the fact that it has these. These are extension pieces. Actually allows you up to 55 inches worth of extension on this. These are lock in place and screw in, real simple to use. You can adjust this if you have different size roofs, or maybe you want to blow off the top of a small SUV or perhaps like a motorhome. These would work out well for that because it does compact down into a nice tight space. And then as you're adding these on, again, real easy to do. They only go in there the one way, screw them on. I'm going to go ahead and put all the extensions on, and then I'm going to go ahead and show you how we're going to try to blow off this portion of our roof up here where I've got some leaves that are built up above in a valley. And rather than getting out a ladder, this will allow me to get up there and blow these off. Now the head of this actually can tilt 9 different ways. It's up to a 270-degree angle. So you can either just use it like a straight shot or angle it in if you're wanting to angle it down and blow some leaves. And in addition to that, it pushes out 580 CFMs of air. So this is going to blow quite a bit of air. Let me go get moved up here. Gone to a little bit lower of a notch. I don't know if there's any leaves up there, but I wanted to show you the tight angle of this that allows you to basically run this along. So that's going to blow all kinds of debris out from there. And you know what? I didn't have to get out a ladder. And this is going to store really nice. So thank you guys again for sending it.